Can we keep safety out of our continuous improvement processes and tools, please? This focus on safety first is hurting the business. Hello, I'm Tom. Welcome to my channel where we talk about continuous improvement in an industrial setting. And in this video, a bit of a contentious topic. I think safety should not be in our tools and methods. It has a different place. But let me take you along the journey. So we see safety being a real focus also in many of the continuous improvement tools and methods that we use, or within an instruction there should always be first a paragraph on safety and only after that describe what you are doing. Things like that. For instance, in 5S we often see 6S. So you have the normal 5S of sort, straighten, shine, standardize, sustain, and it starts with safety. Now, to me this is such a strange concept. If you sort your operational area, straighten the things that you have there, make it all clean, shine up the place, have it standardized so everybody has it at the same way, they know what to expect, and make it sustainable, also meaning you improve again when your operators, your people using all the stuff that's lying around. Want it in a slightly different place, think that it's more economic this way. That way you will create safety. You will also create better quality, more productivity, and a nicer place to work. So 5S, wonderful system. We do not need to put safety there as a sixth step or as a first step. So please keep it out. Now, what I also often hear is safety first. Well, this comes from the same companies that also have quality first and also have employees first, customer first. So how many first places do they actually have? And also, if you check how business operates, you will agree, safety is not on the first place. Making value for your customers, that's on the first place. If you do not do that, everything drops down. Safety is a prerequisite. You need to be thinking about it. You need to be keeping it into account. But if safety of our employees would really be the only thing on your mind, you wouldn't produce at all. You would let those people sit in a nice, safe cubicle somewhere, maybe have some fitness along the way, but not put them in an area with lots of dangerous equipment. So it's already apparent that zero incidents is not a hard target. Safety first doesn't mean at the cost of anything else. So this is a very difficult thing to manage by. Now, that's why it's good to think about safety first, good to say it from time to time, but don't force it upon your tools, methods, your instructions. Now, where is the real place for safety? It is in your steering. So, your KPIs, your management, and when you are designing new processes, new standards, that is where safety really comes in. And then we go back to when we do 5S, for instance, one of the things we have to think about is, are these changes that we are doing now making our workplace safer, or at least not less safe? That's an important thing to think about. It's also important to think about, if we are going to have this machine run faster, push for more production, can that be done in a safe way? So safety should be in your steering KPIs, in your steering model, and when you are designing your workspaces. And that is probably where this whole safety first mentality also came from. When we look at the traditional KPIs that we have been pushing for the last years, it is, for instance, OEE, all about how can we make our machines do more, do faster. A company that really focuses on OEE might lose sight of safety. This is quite true. They might also lose sight of quality, by the way. So safety first, quality first, customer first, they are in one complex. It is part of the same puzzle. Also, if you read something like The Goal, very nice book, already quite a couple of years ago, but I advise, if you have not read The Goal, read it. Really, really nice book. But what do they talk about? You have to make money, and it is throughput, inventory, cost of making it happen. Yeah, no safety. It's not in those KPIs, and it should be. It is a condition for making things happen, but it's also a focus you should have as one of the end results that you want. But an end result is not something you put into the middle of a tool. So also, if you have a fishbone analysis, safety does not become a fifth S next to the 4 M's or something like that. It is not a part of the tool itself. It is a goal. So go for safety as a goal, but please keep it out of our tools. Now, if you agree with me, hit that like button, drop a comment, especially if you do not agree with me, drop me that comment and let me know what is your opinion. How would you put safety in the tools or on first place? Maybe I missed something. I think that this topic itself is really worth discussing in a good adult way. So don't be afraid to drop those comments, share your thoughts. I think it should not be in our tools, but maybe I have a wrong understanding. Please let me know. And of course, also, if you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel. Now, for now, I wish you a very safe day, and as always, enjoy your journey.